So hello students, so how are you? I hope you are all safe at home, right? So welcome to our online class. So in the last session we had seen about the rational numbers. So what is a rational number? Any number that is for example natural, it includes natural number, decimal number, fractional part and also whole numbers, it includes all other numbers. So in the last session we had seen about how to find the rational number between any two numbers and also how to represent the rational numbers in the number line and also how to find the rational numbers. Okay, so these are all the items we have seen in the last session. So in this session we are going to see how to apply operations on rational numbers, how to apply basic arithmetic operations on rational numbers. So what are the common basic arithmetic operations you know? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So come let us know how to apply these operations on rational numbers. Okay, so see here, for addition we had known in the last session itself, if the denominator is same, for example 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, what will you do? If the denominator is same, we can easily add the numerator. So 4 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 3. Okay, if the denominator, if you have different denominator, so 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. If the denominator is differ, what we have to do? Have to take LCM or cross multiply. Okay, you can take LCM. So 5, 1, 1. So 5 3s are 15. So what we have to do? 15. So the common denominator 15. So 2 by 3, you have to multiple any number with 3 to get 15. So which number to be multiple with 3 to get 15? So 5. So the same number to be multiple with 2. So 5 2s are 10 plus 4 by 5. So 3. 5 3s are 15. So the same number to be multiple on the numerator also. 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 10 plus 12. 22 divided by 15. So like this you have to find out. So for addition, two options. If the denominator is same, we can easily add. If the denominator is different, you have to take LCM. Okay. So the next, additive inverse. You know additive inverse. In 6th standard itself, I think so you had studied about the additive inverse. So what is the additive identity? Additive identity is 0. Okay. So here they have to take additive inverse. Okay. So for example, 5. What is its inverse? Minus 5. So what if you subtract 5 minus 5, what is the answer? 0. So additive inverse of, for example, rational number 2 by 3. What is the additive inverse of 2 by 3? Minus 2 by 3. Okay, if you add these two, you will get 0. For example, minus 4 by 7. What is the additive inverse of minus 4 by 7? Plus 4 by 7. If it is minus, you have to take plus. If it is plus, you have to take minus. If you add those two, you will get 0. Okay, so that is the additive inverse. Okay, clear? So the next, subtraction. The same likewise as addition. If the denominator is same, 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. What is the answer? 2 by 3. You can directly multiple. Otherwise, if the denominator is differ, what we will do? 4 by 3 minus 2 by 5. You have to take LCM. So what is the LCM? 15. So 3 5s are 15. So multiple. 3 into 5, 5 into 3. So the same number to be multiple on the numerator also. 4 5s are 20. Minus 2 3s are 6. So 15. So 20 minus 6, what is the answer? 14. 14 by 15. Okay, clear? Clear about subtraction? Okay, next one, multiplication. So multiplication, for example, the numerator and denominator of two rational numbers to be multiple respectively. For example, 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. You have to multiply the numerator and you have to multiply the denominator respectively. 2 4s are 8, 5 3s are 15. That's all. If it is negative sign, plus minus into plus minus. Okay, respectively you have to multiply the symbols, the numbers and also the symbols. Okay, so clear about multiplication? Okay. So the next one, multiplicative inverse. So you know what is multiplicative inverse. So which is the multiplicative inverse? 1. One is if any number is multiplied by 1, you will get the same number. So the multiplicative inverse, multiplicative identity is 1. So what is the multiplicative inverse? That is, for example, if 1 by a is one rational number. So for it, what is the multiplicative inverse? That is a. So see here. 1 by a, its multiplicative inverse is a by 1. What is the answer you will get? So a cancel, you will get the answer 1. Okay, so consider another rational number, 2 by 3. What is the multiplicative inverse? It's reciprocal. So 3 by 2. So you will get the answer 1. So what is the multiplicative inverse? 2 by, if its reciprocal is there, multiplicative inverse. What is the additive inverse? If it is 2 by 3, the additive inverse is minus 2 by 3. You should not reciprocal it. Okay, 2 by 3 means minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 means plus 2 by 3. Okay, for multiplicative, you have to take reciprocal. So that is 2 by 3 means 3 by 2. Okay, so the answer will get 1. Okay, so clear? So the next one, division. So if two rational numbers is to be divided, the one rational number is to be multiplied by taking the reciprocal of it with the another number. So see here, 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. So how will you do this? That is 2 by 3 into, look here. Into, have to take reciprocal of it, 5 by 4. So multiply here, 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. That's all. If two number is to be divided, the second rational number, you have to take reciprocal of it and you have to take multiple and you have to do multiple. Okay, you have to find the product so that you can find the answer. Okay, if two numbers to be divided, the second rational number is to be reciprocal and you have to find the product. Clear? So what are the operations? Addition. For addition, you have two denominators. That is, so we have same denominator. If it is a same denominator, you can easily add. And if you have different denominator, you have to take LCM and you have to find the answer. And additive inverse. So if it is plus, you have to take minus. So plus 2 by 3 means minus 2 by 3. So minus 4 by 5 means plus 4 by 5. Okay. So next one, subtraction, likewise as addition. That is same denominator means you can easily subtract it and find the answer. And if it is different denominator, you have to take LCM and you have to subtract it. Okay. So the next one, what is it? Multiplication. Multiplication means have multiple two rational numbers respectively. Okay, so the next one, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means you have to take reciprocal of it. If it is 5 by 6, the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. Okay, so the next division. Division means if two rational numbers are given, for the second rational number is to be reciprocal and you have to product and you have to find the product. That's all. Okay, shall we go for the exercise? So the next exercise is 1.2. The first Roman, fill in the blanks. Okay, so what is the question? The value of minus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 15. Minus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 15. So here they had given minus and plus. The symbol of differ. So how will you find here? So you can find, see here. So addition. So you can take that, have to first check the denominator. And the denominator is differ, so that you can take LCM. So 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 30. So which number to be multiplied by 2 to get 30? So which number? So 15 means 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 2 1s are 30. So the same number to be multiplied on the numerator also. Okay, so 5 into 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 balance 2 5. So 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 7. 75. So what is the symbol here? Minus. Okay, so the next symbol plus. So which number to be multiplied by 15 to get 30? What is the number? 2. 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 2 1s are 2, 30. So the same 2 to be multiplied by here. So 7 2s are 14. So see here, what we have to do here? So the symbol are differ. If the symbol is different, we have to do subtraction. See here, plus 5 plus 2. What we have to do? The symbol is, first of all, you have to look after the symbol. Look out the symbol. If the symbol is same, you can put the same symbol here and you can add 5 plus 2, 7. Right? If the symbol, next one, minus 5, minus 2. Look at the symbol. The symbol is same. You have to put the same symbol and what we have to do? You have to add 5 plus 2, 7. Clear? If the symbol is same, you have to add either plus or minus. Okay? If the symbol is differ, plus 5, minus 2. Okay? You have to do subtraction. So 5 minus 2, what is it? 3. Which symbol will you put? The greater number symbol. So what is the greater number here? 5. So what is the symbol here? Plus. Clear? For other or else, minus 5 plus 2. If it is here like this. See here, the symbol is different. What you have to do? Subtraction. 5 minus 2, 3. Greater number, 5. What is the symbol in front of the greater number? Minus. So clear? So in addition, we can do like this. So in multiplication, minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Plus into plus, plus. Clear? So have you clear about these symbols? Okay. So see here, minus 75 plus 14. Different symbol. What you have to do? Subtraction. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 1, 6. So the greater number, 75 here. So this symbol minus. So what is the answer? Minus 61 by 30. Minus 61 by 30. Clear? So that's all. Okay. So the next question. Value of product. So if it is product, what you have to do? You have to directly multiple. Here minus, here plus. Minus into plus, minus. So 18 into 3. 18 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 2, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. So 54. So divided by minus 54 divided by plus into minus, minus. 6 9s are 54. 8 3s are 24, 4, balance 2, 3 1s are 3, 54, 6 9s are also 54. So see here, minus divided by minus, plus divided by plus, you will get plus, minus divided by minus, you will get plus. Since this minus minus cancel, so minus minus cancel. 154 is 54, 154 is 54. So the answer is 1. Answer is 1. Okay, clear? So the next one. See here, the value of, here they had given divide. So if it is divide, what you have to do? Have to write the first number and you have to put, instead of divide, you have to put multiple, and you have to take the second rational number and you have to do reciprocal of it. So you have to take reciprocal of it. So minus 46 divided by 30. Clear? So here you can multiply directly. So how will you multiply? Minus into minus, which is equal to plus. So 15 into 46. 15 into 46. 6 5s are 30. 3. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 9. 5 4s are 20. 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. 9. 690 divided by 30 into 23. So you can write the 0 here. 23 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 69. Okay. So plus into plus plus. So what is the answer here? 169, 690, 690. So same denominator. So you will get the answer 1. Clear? So the next one. So the rational number dash doesn't have reciprocal. So which rational number has no reciprocal? 0. So which is the rational number which has no reciprocal? 0. Okay. So the next one, the multiplicative inverse of minus 1. So multiplicative inverse of minus 1. So what is it? Minus 1 by 1. Multiplicative inverse means we have to take reciprocal. 1 by minus 1. So what is the answer? 1 by minus 1 means minus 1. So the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Clear? So the first question, the value of minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 15, which is equal to, so see here the denominator of differ, so you have to take LCM. So 12, 15, so we can take third table. So that 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, and fourth table 1 4 is 4, 5, 5, 1, 1. So 3 4s are 4 3s are 12, 12 into 5. So 12 into 5 how much? 60. So the denominator is 60. So which number to be multiplied to get 60? 5. So here also 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 5 1s are 5, 6. So here also minus 25. So the same symbol minus to be put here. So next one plus. So 15. So which number to be multiplied? 2. 5 2s are 10. So no 2 4. 4 5s are 20. 0 2. 4 1s are 4. 60. So the same 4 to be multiplied on the numerator also. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. So what is the answer? So symbols are differ. So if the symbols are differ, what we have to do? So we have to subtract. So 28 minus 25. So what is the answer? Minus. So that is plus 28 minus 25. So the symbols are differ. So you have to subtract. 8 minus 5, 3. So the greater number, which is the greater number? 28. So the greater number is plus. So plus 3. So plus 3 divided by 60. So you can also divide further. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 0. So answer is 1 by 20. Okay. So see here the next one. Say true or false. Okay. So first question, all rational numbers have an additive inverse. So all rational numbers have an additive inverse. So for example, if it is 4, you will get minus 4. So all the rational numbers will get additive inverse. So the statement is true. So next one, the rational number that are equal to their additive inverse. The rational number that are equal to their additive inverse are 0 and minus 1. So additive inverse means the same number will get opposite sign. But here they said that the inverse will be 0 and minus 1. So whether the statement is true? No, false. So the next statement, additive inverse of minus 11 by 17 is 11 by 17. See here, minus, if it is minus on the numerator and minus on the denominator, what will be? It will get cancelled. It will get cancelled and the answer and the question will be 11 by 17. So additive inverse means if it is plus, you will get minus in the answer. But here 11 by 17 is 11 by 17. Whether the statement is true? No, false. Okay, clear? So the next question, the rational number which has its own reciprocal is minus 1. So already we saw in the fill in the blanks. So minus 1 has its own reciprocal, minus 1 by 1 means 1 by minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 means minus 1. So the statement is true. Okay, clear? So the next question, so the multiplicative inverse exists for all rational numbers. So here 0 is also a rational number. So whether the multiplicative inverse exists for 0? No. So 0 by anything is, so see here, multiplicative inverse exists for all rational numbers. So if anything divided by 0, what is it? 0. Sorry, not defined. So multiplicative inverse does not exist for all rational numbers. So this statement is false. Okay. So the next one, find the sum. 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. First of all, we have to look denominator. So the denominator is same. If the denominator is same, what we have to do? We have to put the same denominator and you have to add. So 7 plus 3, 10. Okay. You can also divide further. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 2. Okay, clear? So the next problem. So see here, 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. The denominators differ. So I have to take LCM. So 5, 7, 5, 1, 7, 7, 1, 1. So 5 sevens are 35. So 35. Here also 7. 5 sevens are 35. Here also 7. 7 sevens are 49. Plus 7 5s are 35. Here also 5. So 5 5s are 25. So you have to add 49 plus 25. 9 plus 5. If you add, you will get 74. So the answer is 74 divided by 35. Okay. So the next question, see here, 6 by 5 plus within the bracket minus 14 by 50. So look here, the denominator all differ. So if the denominator of differ, you have to take LCM. So 5, 15. Fifth table, 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. 3, 1, 1. So 5 3s are 15. 5 into 3, you will get 15. LCM 15. So see here, 5 3s are, so 6 into 3. So 5 3s are 15. So 6 3s are 18. So plus, inside you are having minus. Okay. So what you will do? You will put minus. Plus into minus, minus. Clear? So here 15 into 1, you will get 15. 14 into 1, get 14. So 18 minus 14, you will get 4. So the greater number plus, so you will get positive sign. So 4 by 15. Okay, clear? Minus 4, 2 by 3 plus 7, 5 by 12. What we have to do here? Here you have to take, it is in the mixed proportion. You have to convert into direct proportion. Okay. So minus 3 4s are minus, 3 4s are 12. Sorry, 3 4s are 12 plus 2. Here multiple, here plus. So 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 divided by 3. This symbol. So 12, 12 into 7. 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 7 1s are 7, 8. So 84 plus 5. What is it? 89 divided by 12. Okay. So in the next step, what you have to do? You have to take LCM. So 3, 12. 3, 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12, 4, 1, 1. So 4 3s are 12. So the LCM is 12. Okay. So 4 3s are 12. Here also 4. The same minus symbol. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. So the next 1. 89. Look the symbol here. Symbol are differ. If the symbol is differ, what you have to do? You have to subtract. 89, 56. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. So, what is the symbol will come here? Plus 89 minus what is the greater number? 89. So, the symbol is plus. So, 33 by 12. Okay, clear? So, the next one. Subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. So, subtract A from B. That means B minus A. Okay. So, how will you write here? Minus 17 divided by 11 minus 8 by 44. Okay. So, what you will do? Differ. The denominator differ. So, 44, 11. So, 11th table, 4 11s are 44, 1 11 is 11, 4, 1, 1. So, 11 4s are 44. So, the minus, next one, 17, 11 into 4, 17 into 4, 7 4s are 28, 2, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 68. Clear? So, the minus into minus. So, here plus. So, 44 into 1, 1, 8. So, minus 68 plus 8. So, different symbol. You have to subtract. So, 68 minus 8, 60. So, greater number 68. So, symbol minus. So, minus 60 by 44. You can also divide further. 2. So, 3 2s are 6, 0, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. So, 15 2s are 30. So, the answer is minus 15 by 11. Okay, clear? So, the next problem. See here. Evaluate 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3. So, it is product. If it is a product multiplication, you can directly multiply. So, 9 11s are 99 plus into minus divided by 132 into 3. So, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. You can also divide further in the third table. 3 11s are 33, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. So, minus 33 by 132. So, you can also divide further 11, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. So, 4 3s are 12. Remainder 1, 4 3s are 12. So, 1 11 is 11, 4 11s are 44. So, the answer is minus 1 by 4. Okay. So, the next problem, you can also, there is a multiplication symbol. So, you can multiply here 7 into 24. 7 4s are 28, 2. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. So, plus into minus minus. Here also plus into minus minus. So, 27 into 35. 7 5s are 35. Balance 3. 7 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. 7 3s are 21. 2. So, 3 2s are 6. 7 8. 9 45. So, minus minus cancel. 168 divided by 945. Okay. So, third table, can you divide by 4 third table? 5 3s are 15. Balance 1 6 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. Balance 1 5 3s are 15. So, next third table, 1 3 is 3. You can't divide in third table. So 56 by 315. Okay. So the next divide. So A by B. So minus 21 by 5 divide minus 7 by 10. So what is the rule? So first one, you have to write the first rational number like it as it is, and you have to, for instead of divide, you have to put product symbol, and you have to take the reciprocal of second rational number. So 10 by minus 7. Okay, if it is a product, you can directly multiple. What is it? So 20, you can put 0. So 21 into 1, 21. So the minus symbol. And 5 sevens are 35. So plus into minus, minus. So this minus and minus cancel. Get cancelled. Okay. So fifth table. 7 5s are 35. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 1. So 2 5s are 10. 1 7 is 7. 6 7s are 42. So the answer is 6. Okay, clear? So the next problem. Divide minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 by minus, that is 13 divided by minus 3. So how will you write this? How will you write this? So which is equal to minus 3 by 13 into 1 by minus 3. So since minus 3 by 1 is here, so I have to take reciprocal. So 1 by minus 3. So this minus 3 gets cancelled. Okay. So what is the answer? 1 by 13. That's all. Okay. So the next question. Minus 2 divided by 6 minus 6 by 15. Okay. So what is the rule here? Minus 2 into minus 2 by 1 into, have to take reciprocal. So 15 by minus 6. Okay, so you can multiple here. So 15, 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 2 1s are 2, 3. So minus divided by 1 into minus 6, minus 6. So here minus minus cancel. Okay, so divided by 6th table, 166, 5 6 are 30. That's all. So answer is 5. Okay, clear? So see here, next problem. Find A plus B divided by A minus B. Okay, have to add and subtracted and have to find the answer. At last you have to divide that answer. First you have to sum and then you have to find difference and then you have to find divide. Okay, so first they had given A and B value. So first A plus B, find out. So 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So here denominator all differ. So what you have to do? Take LCM. So 2 3s are 6. So here we have to multiple by 3 plus 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 7 by 6. Okay. So the next one have to find minus. So 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. Okay. So the LCM will be the same. So what is it? 6. Okay. So what is here? 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. So LCM is same and you have to see here. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So 3 minus, so 2, 2, so 3 minus 4. Only the symbol will be differ here. So 3 minus 4. So if it is differentiable, what you have to do? You have to subtract. So subtract. So 4 minus 3, 1 by 6. So greater number 4. So symbol is minus. So what is the next step? You have to divide. So the next step you have to divide. So how will you divide? So what is A plus B? A plus B divided by A minus B, which is equal to 7 by 6 divided by minus 1 by 6. So you can write like this. A plus B divided by A minus B. So A plus B is 7 by 6 divided by A minus B is minus 1 by 6. So 7 by 6, you have to, what is the rule? You have to put product instead of divide and you have to take reciprocal. So 6 by minus 1. Okay, clear? So how will you? So 166, 166. So answer 7 ones are 7 divided by 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So 7 by minus 1 you will get minus 7. So students, see here I have mistakenly write the question minus 7 by minus 10 here. So it will become here minus divided by minus, you will get plus. So here plus, so the answer will be here minus divided by, so minus 210 divided by 5 sevens are 35. So the answer will be minus 6. Okay. So students, so far we have discussed up to 7th problem in exercise 1.2. In 7th problem, the remaining second question is A equal to minus 3 by 5 and B equal to 2 by 5, 2 by 15. So you have to add and you have to subtract and you have to divide in the same method. Okay. So this problem I have given on, so you have to do by yourself. Okay. So this is today's assignment you have to do. Okay. So thank you all. Let us meet in the next session.